Located in Northampton's Weston Favell Shopping Centre, Going Spare is your one-stop shop for your washing machine or vacuum cleaner needs. We've been in the business for over 20 years and know just about every vacuum and washing machine inside out. All of our parts, services and products are very competitively priced, and all orders are fulfilled within 72 hours and are guaranteed for 12 months. With our huge range of spare parts and accessories, whatever the brand and whatever the issue, whether it's something as relatively simple as replacing belts or filters, or if it's a more in-depth issue that requires some of our many years of expertise, you can be sure that here at Going Spare, your product will be looked after and is in the most capable hands, so that when your item is ready to be collected, you too will have a smile back on your face. Don't go spare, come to Going Spare.